Welcome to Stellar Hosting. In this video, I'll show you how to use File Manager in DirectAdmin to manage your website files easily and efficiently. File Manager allows you to upload, edit, organize, and manage all the files that make up your website directly from your browser without needing any extra software. Let's get started. First, you're going to log into your DirectAdmin using your username and password. From the DirectAdmin dashboard, locate the System Info and Files section. Click on File Manager. Inside the File Manager, you see several folders. Your main website files are usually stored in the public_html or domains folder, depending on your server setup. Click on the folder that contains your domain name to view your website files. To upload a file, click on Upload. Select the file you want to upload from your computer and wait for the upload to complete. Once uploaded, the file will be available on your website. To create a new folder, click plus folder. Enter a name and confirm. This also applies to creating a new file. To edit a file, click on the file name and select Edit. Make your changes and then click Save File. Using File Manager, you can also rename files, move or copy files. To delete files, select the file or folder you want to delete and click Remove. You turn this off if you want it permanently deleted. If not, it will be sent to the trash. Always be careful when editing or deleting important files. If you accidentally delete a file, check the trash if available and restore from a backup. Also, make sure to upload files to the correct directory, e.g. public_html. If the file is not updating, you can clear your browser or check file permissions. And that's how you use File Manager in DirectAdmin. Drop your questions in the comments or contact our support if you face any issues. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need stellar hosting services if you found this tutorial helpful. Also, subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials like this. See you in the next video.